Man-made halocarbons are destroying our atmosphere. RemTec International will show us how they are reclaiming and recycling these high-pressure gases.
Chemicals have played a major role in the evolution of business and industry over the last 50 years. Unfortunately, most people don't understand what they are and how they affect the environment.
Halons and other ozone-depleting chemicals such as Freon or R-12 are part of the halocarbon family that are Class 1 ozone-depleting chemicals. They are clean agents. They dissipate in the air once used, and this is why halons, for example, were used in fire protection, because you could use it on a fire and apply it to the fire, but it wouldn't leave residue. So it's very important for computer systems and other critical applications, for example, onboard aircraft.
The escape of man-made halocarbons into the atmosphere are slowly destroying it.
Halon is still used extensively throughout the world. It's a clean agent, and it can only be used in certain critical, essential applications that the new replacement agents are just not suited for. It's used in the commercial aviation industry on board both jets and prop planes, and it's used extensively in militaries throughout the world. The U.S. military is the largest user. They use it on board all their ships, on their airplanes, and in armored vehicles to protect personnel.
With chemicals such as halon and freon, recycling is a promising option.
Halocarbons such as halon and freon need to be recycled because they do damage the ozone layer. The Montreal Protocol requires that these agents are recycled. They are Class 1 hazardous agents, and they are still used in critical essential applications.
The depletion of ozone is a major concern, not only in the United States, but around the world as well.
The global areas in the world that are most affected by ozone depletion are those countries that are closest to the poles, for example, Australia. RemTec International is cooperating with the Commonwealth of Australia and is operating a halon facility in that country. We're also very proud of the relationship we have with the People's Republic of China. China uses halon extensively and has many manufacturing facilities there. We, along with our partners in Australia, Daskin, have been chosen to establish a halon recycling facility in Guangdong Province in the People's Republic of China. It's a model facility, and once operating will serve as a model that can be duplicated across China.
The rules and regulations are strict, and for good reason. It takes experience as well as state-of-the-art technology to make sure recycled halon is safe.
In order to know if halon is properly recycled and safe to use again, one of the critical things is to have a full laboratory. It's just not good enough to have the proper equipment. You can't tell by looking at halon whether it's up to specification, and so you must test it. This requires a lot of investment. This is very important to companies around the world that want to make sure that the halon that they have or halocarbons that they have are disposed of properly.
Protecting the Earth's atmosphere is an absolute necessity. The results of ozone depletion might someday be measured in levels of human suffering caused by illness, crop failure, drought, and severe weather. Companies such as RemTec have made such protection its business. For World Business Review on Location, this is Lisa Chebotarioff reporting.